Here is a wonderful 2019 Honda Odyssey. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 100,000 miles on the odometer. Take a close look at this Honda Odyssey. It's the dynamic family minivan that sets the standard for safety, comfort, and convenience. From its smart technology to its ingenious passenger luxuries and powerful performance, this family vehicle has your back. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, power passenger seat, fog lamps, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, third row seat, electronic stability control, heated front seat. Peace of mind is a beautiful thing. You'll enjoy that and more when you drive away in the Honda Odyssey. Take it out for a road test today.